it's your girl Lala. For those who are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and click that post notification bell so you're notified anytime that I post. If you're an OW, welcome back. You don't have your post notification bell on, make sure you do that, okay? I want you guys to stop what you're doing right now and give this video a big thumbs up, okay? Period. Look how defined these curls are. It's beautiful, okay? Beautiful. Would you guys believe me if I told you that this unit was under $100? I paid $85.43 for this hair. So I really think that it was really a steal because this hair is really nice. Like, guys, I really, really love it. So we're just gonna hop into the details of this unit. This unit is an Afro kinky curly unit. This is a headband wig, so it does not come with the closure or any of that. I did get this unit in an 18-inch and I got it in 200 density. Okay, this hair is super, 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 super thick. And when I tell you, the hair is definitely kinky, okay? I did have to manipulate the hair to get it this defined, but not to worry. I do have a clip within this video showing you how I got my hair to this point. It did come with clips right here, and then also in the back, and then also it has an adjustable headband. So this headband, I can put it as tight as I want, okay? And guys, I know like some people are really afraid of wearing wigs, but like I can honestly say like this hair is not going anywhere off my head, okay? Look. Not going anywhere, okay? So if you're afraid to get a headband unit because you're scared it's gonna come off, like literally no worries. Now to shipping. Shipping was extremely, extremely fast. It took 8 days for my hair to get to me, okay? If you're wondering why I'm looking down, it's because I have my journal down here and I don't wanna miss anything. So I ordered my unit on December 22nd and I received it on December 29th. Guys, as soon as I placed the order for the hair, the company was already getting in contact with me to make sure that my address and all that information that I provided them with was correct. And they told me literally, excuse me, they literally told me that they're gonna ship it the next day. So that is amazing, okay? So let's talk about shedding. I did not have a lot of shedding with this hair. The only time that I had shedding was whenever I was combing my hands through the hair or brushing it with my Denman brush. That's the only time that I received shedding. As far as matting and tangling goes, the hair does tangle, obviously, because it is a kinky, curly type of hair. But as far as like matting, this hair does not mat. Like, not even in the back. Like, my hair is not matted at all. Guys, it's just really, really pretty. Like, I really love this hair. Seriously. I got my unit from was from my Lock Me hair company. It came in this really pretty silk purple bag. It came with earrings and another headband just in case I got bored with this one. And it also came with this card. This is like basically a rating card, and it just says item described, communication, shipping, and it shows that they got all 5 stars. And then also it tells you the company's WhatsApp. You know, just basic details. The only thing that I did not like about this hair was that when I first got it, it had a horrible smell, like a really bad smell. But it wasn't unbearable and it wasn't something that I couldn't fix. So it really wasn't that big of a deal. I just ended up washing it and then deep conditioning it and then putting some of my oils in there and all that. So guys, with this unit, you can put it in many different styles. Like if you wanted to, you could literally put a little ponytail right here, or you could do a little bun even if you wanted to, you know? Me personally, it's not my style. Like I really love to wear it down, either in a side part or a middle part. That's just my preference, but really you can style this hair any way that you want. When I got this hair, I was completely scared because like it was just really kinky. Like, guys, there was like no curls in it, like at all. I want to say it was only like a few curls right here, but this part was all combed out. Like, it was no curls within this wig. So I was like, dang, like I'm really freaking scared, because in the pictures that I seen on Aliexpress, like it was really curly. So I'm thinking like, oh my gosh, like it's not gonna be curly. If you want to see how I manipulated this hair to stay curly like this, I would recommend continuing the video. Because I'm basically gonna show you guys how I maintain this hair, and then also how I get the curls to be so defined. Guys, right now this hair is completely dry, like, so it's not gonna kink up unless I just continue to run my hands through it. But if you don't have product in this hair, guys, it's gonna get poofy and there are gonna be no curls inside. Let's hop right into the video. This side is the hair in its natural state, okay? Like, it's real kinky, and this is the more defined side. I first start by sectioning the hair like so. So now this is just me getting all the hair together. And now I'm just gonna go in with my conditioner and water. And the conditioner that I'm using is Suave. And I'm just kind of getting the hair all damp and prep for detangling. And make sure you get that hair really, really damp, because if it's not all the way damp, it's going to be really hard to detangle. And first, I just start by detangling with my fingers. And then after I finish detangling with my fingers, I go on with the Denman brush. As you can see, I am getting quite a bit of shedding, but the bright side of that is that I only get shedding when I comb through the hair, literally. And that's about how much shedding that I got. So now I'm just kind of going back in and spraying it. And now I'm just going to start by brushing it out. So the number one thing to remember when brushing out your hair, you need to start from bottom to top when detangling. I mean, I find that helps for me, because when I used to brush my hair from top to bottom, I noticed that I would get more shedding. So when you start from bottom to top, you get less shedding, in my opinion. If you brush the hair at an angle, it'll push the curls together and make them more defined. So I definitely recommend doing that. So now I'm just going to go in with my Blue Magic grease and put it all over that hair so it can stay soft all day and just be very moisturized. I don't know if anyone else has tried this, but I noticed with my natural hair, which is more like this texture, if I put grease and water into my hair, it makes it really, really defined, and it makes it stay like that all day, and it's like soft and moisturized. So I thought, why not do it to this hair? And guys, it turned out amazing, seriously. So now we're just gonna start at the top of the hair. Guys, look at that hair. Look at the dramatic difference. Like, that's like really poofy. The curl, there's like no curls at the bottom. It's just like, you know, naps. But yeah, this is me trying to get a thumbnail, so don't mind my face. So now I'm just gonna go in with my Lotta Body mousse and just kind of like scrunch that into the hair. I know that I'm like combing it out with my hands and putting the Lotta Body on there, but don't do that. I just recommend like putting a good amount in your hands and just kind of scrunching it in the hair. okay? Scrunching it. You don't want to comb through it, because I combed through the other side, and guys, the curls weren't as defined as the side where I just scrunched it. Look at those curls, guys. So this is basically the finished look. Look how defined those curls are, guys. Beautiful. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video.